Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel where I'm going to give you some tips on how to get prepared for your next trip. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a long-term adventure, it is important to be organized and be ready for anything. Let's get started. The first step in preparing for your trip is making a packing list. Write down everything you will need to bring, from clothes to toiletries to important documents. This will help you stay organized and ensure that you don't forget anything important. Next, it's time to start packing. Make sure you have the right suitcase or backpack for your trip, and use packing cubes or organizers to keep everything tidy. Roll your clothes instead of folding them to save a lot of space, and use small bags or containers for your toiletries to prevent spills. Before you leave, it is important to make some research about your destination to know about some customs and etiquettes. Learn some basic phrases in the local language and find about potential safety concerns and scams. This will help you to be respectful and stay safe whilst you are there. Now it's time to book your accommodation and transport. Look for flights, train or buses, and compare the price and reviews for hotels and Airbnbs. Make sure you have all the information you need, like confirmation number, hotel's address, and all of that. Personally, I don't order for airport pickups. I'll recommend Bolt and Uber rides. Finally, don't forget to pack a carry-on bag for all your essentials. This should include things like a change of clothes, a snack, a charger, a power bank, something you will need, water bottles, something you will need handy with you in the plane, at the airport, and even in your ride to the hotel. This will become handy if your luggage is delayed or lost. Thank you for watching my videos on how to prepare for your trip. Follow these tips and you will be organized to go on your next adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more travel tips and inspiration. Safe travel!